Hello everyone, welcome to the Prince Haven. My name is Enny and beside me here I have
Dr. Femi here. Hi guys, how you doing?
And today we're going to be telling you about the last minute gifts for Valentine season
2023.
Oh my god, this video is about to be amazing. So stick around and we will be right back. So welcome back to the Prince Haven. Like I said before we went on the short break, we're going to be revealing to you the last minute gifts for you this Valentine season in 2023. Now, before we dive into all of that, remember, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you love this video, remember to comment, remember to share it with your friends. And as well, if you would love to get updates from us as we bring out more videos like this, remember to hit that notification bell and stay informed. That being said, my Dr. Man, can you tell them more about these Valentine's Day boxes we have in front of us?
Yes guys, so we have a few options for you for your last minute shopping. If you know that you haven't prepared, you're not ready, you want to get this gift items out in a jiffy in a couple of days, you're in the right place. So I'm just going to open the first box for you to see. It says Happy Valentine's Day and you can always personalize. So my name is Femi. I can put my name Femi on the box just to make it extra special. And guess what? For any of the items here that we brand, you can also put the name. So in this box we have first our 3-in-1 charger that has Happy Valentine's Day, and guess what? You can personalize, as I said. There's a mug, so pretty. There's a tumbler, so pretty. This is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this. Now, this is a towel set. So it has a face towel, it has a hand towel, and it has a bath towel in the set. You can have 1 or 2 or 3. The options are up to you depending on what your budget is like. We have edibles as well in the box. And we have, can you guess what this is? We have a journal with a pen. It is so pretty, absolutely pretty. And guys, remember, as I said, you can actually personalize any of the items just to make it extra special. This is one of my favorite boxes for Valentine's this year. And guess what? You can get it quickly. Last minute, remember? Now, gift number 2. Right. This is our shadow box. As you can see, whose name is on it? My name, of course. But guess what? You can have any name here with the initial of the person. This is absolutely special. If you look close up, you have the pearls and the roses inside the shadow box. Like this, whoever it is you're gifting it to will love you forever, because for me, this is one of the most special things you can give to show how much you care for that person this 2023. Now, if you just want to order blank boxes, we have those as well. If you just want to order the blank box, if you have the gift items at home already and you just want us to help you personalize the box and brand, it's right here. Guys, we have so many options for you. We're just doing justice to you guys. You guys will be saying, thank you, Print Haven. Yes, you're welcome.
And as you're saying, thank you, Print Haven. Remember, if you've not yet subscribed, and you've not yet hit that like button for this video, remember to hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to the Prince Haven, because we will always tell you the best gifts you can give to foster better relationships and create better and special memories for your loved one.
Fantastic. Thank you, Eniola.
Yes.
Now we have our Bobo balloon. You can see it. In fact, we now did extra and put lights on top of it. I'm just going to show you. The switch is on the inside of the box, so you can turn it on or you can turn it off right there. Absolutely. And with the extra special rose inside the balloon. Now this box comes, you can put absolutely anything inside the box. So think about it: chocolates, wine, cake, other edibles that you can fill this box with other personalized items, just to create that oomph effect. And as we have said, last minute. So if you don't have enough time to order, these are the items you want to order this year for that special person in your life.
Yes, so remember, if you have that special person, like a boyfriend or your girlfriend, you have your spouse there, you want to gift maybe your grandpa, an elderly person, or maybe you just want to gift your boss. Ma, I should
Yes,
give you
you owe me a
something
gift.
for Valentine's Day.
Stanley, you owe me a gift.
Yes, just that's the man behind the camera. Just to show love and appreciation for being one of the best bosses ever.
Yeah.
That being said, I think this brings us to the end of this video. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed to the Prince Haven, hit that subscribe button right now. If you love any of these gifts that we have shown you in this video, simply check out the links in the description. We're gonna have links for you to be able to contact us so that we can give you some of these boxes for you to be able to gift your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Until next time, my name is Enny.
And my name is Dr. Femi.
And this is the Prince Haven. And we love.
We'll see you next time.
Yes.
And happy Valentine's in advance.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.